Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly environment. It connects the students with their day-to-day lives, real life atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board, classes first, and the subject is English and the lesson name is Clouds. Clouds is a type of a poem, and the innovation idea used in this poem is called the theme-based attendance. Theme-based attendance is a type of a revision-based innovation idea which covers the concepts of the consonants and vowels. So this theme-based attendance is a type of a innovation idea which connects the lesson which we taught very recently with our daily attendance based activity. So whenever we are taking attendance in the morning, we will be calling the students attendance in terms of roll number wise, or we will be calling the student's name. The students will be replying the attendance to us in terms of yes or present. Instead, here we are going to give a theme and the task for the attendance. The student should not tell yes or present in this theme based attendance. Instead, they have to do a task which is given to them, or they have to give the answer for the questions which we are asking to the students. So that will be the answers are the and the task done by the students are considered as the attendance for the students. So that is the activity. So for doing this theme based attendance, we are going to do a pre-preparation. That is, we are going to do a write the alphabets from A to Z in our blackboard. So that is the pre-preparation required for us. So let's take an example. We have completed this Clouds poem very recently, and we informed the students the theme for tomorrow's attendance will be this Clouds. So the students should read the poem and they have to understand the concept in the poem, and they have to come to the school on the next day. The attendance will be based on the concept of the clouds. So being this concept is this theme based attendance is covering the concepts of the consonants and the vowels. It can also be taken as an activity for the attendance. So the next day the attendance is going to be taking place. Every students came to the class and we are doing the theme based attendance activity. So let's take an example. We are in our class there are 25 students. Roll number 1 is Arjun, roll number 2 is Abhishek, roll number 3 is Archana. Likewise students are there. So now we are calling roll number 1 Arjun. Arjun is getting up. So Arjun should not tell yes or present. So we are going to give a task for the Arjun, or we are going to ask a question to the Arjun. Arjun is going to reply the answer in terms of his utterance. That is considered as Arjun's utterance. So now we are calling Arjun. Arjun is getting up, and we are telling the Arjun that point out the alphabet on the board. So we can tell any alphabet or any word to to Arjun. Arjun should point out the alphabet which is written in the blackboard. So we are telling Arjun that you pick the word C. So he have to point out the word C or an alphabet C in the blackboard. Or we can ask him to identify the alphabet, and also we can ask him to tell a word from that words letter starting from C. Likewise we are calling roll number 2 Abhishek. Abhishek is getting up. We are telling M. Find out the word M. So he is coming to the board and he is finding out M. So we are calling roll number 3 Archana. We are telling find out the word K. So like randomly we are telling the alphabet and making the students to come and find the letter. So the alphabet which was taught already covered, the poem is already been covered, but making the students too familiar with the alphabet, or making the students too familiar with the word which we taught very recently is the most important concept. Like this, every student will be getting the chance. Every student should find out the alphabet and they have to find the word related to that alphabet. It makes the students to enhance their vocabulary and also covers the concept of the consonants and vowels. So this is the innovation idea called the theme based attendance used in this lesson, Clouds. So more like different types of innovation ideas using in lessons you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.